update on our environmental indicators. And I'd like to welcome our Vice President, Tammy Schimpf, and our SOAP committee members to discuss this topic with you. Definitely moving in the right direction. There's obviously still a lot of work to do to improve the environment in Berks County. Nature helps to define our community. Maintaining key recreational and natural assets translates into maintaining an important segment of our economy. We look forward to a continued year of growth at Berks Nature and to serving the community.